Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to generate an invoice in Shopify, whether you want to send it to a customer or print it for your records. It's super simple and can be done right from your Shopify admin dashboard. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin panel using your store credentials. Once you're inside, head over to the Orders section from the left sidebar. This is where all your customer orders appear. Now, click on the specific order you want to generate an invoice for. Once the order page opens, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a More Actions drop-down. Click on it. From that menu, you have a few options depending on how you want to create your invoice. If you've installed the Shopify Order Printer app, select Print with Order Printer. That app will generate a professional-looking invoice. You can either print out or save as a PDF to email to your customer. If you haven't installed the Order Printer app yet, no worries, you can easily find it in the Shopify App Store. Just search for Order Printer, click Install, and it will automatically integrate with your store. Once installed, it'll appear in the More Actions menu of every order. After clicking Print with Order Printer, a new page will open showing the invoice preview. You can customize the layout, add your logo, adjust the text, or include payment and shipping details. When it looks good, hit Print, or choose Save as PDF if you want a digital copy. And that's it. You've successfully generated a Shopify invoice. This simple process helps keep your records clean, adds professionalism to your brand, and gives customers a polished document confirming their purchase. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out my other Shopify tutorials to make running your store even smoother.